First, we go to Turks and Caicos Islands, as that island is grappling with an increase in murders linked to activities by a Jamaican gang. The governor of that country wants the Jamaican government to help bring the situation under control. Now, the TCI governor addressed the legislature today and indicated that the acts were associated with terrorism.
For TCI, it is related to Jamaican gangs and serious transnational crime rather than international terrorism. It remains ongoing and it will not stop unless we stop it. Several months ago, 2 local gangs, and yes, there is a very significant local element to this, 2 local gangs lost their leadership. One extremely violent local gang leader was shot dead by police while resisting arrest. The other, a Haitian gang leader, who the police had made 4 separate attempts to arrest in the shanty areas of Romy Yard, was killed by one of his own gang before he could be arrested. The vacuum and confusion this created, allowing a predominantly Jamaican gang with a relatively small footprint here to reinforce from Jamaica.
Now, TVJ News spoke with development economist Dr. Chris Stokes, who operates a business in the TCI. He is alarmed that the British Overseas Territory recorded 14 murders in 1 month. Dr. Stokes says TCI is not accustomed to such violence.
I grew up hearing from my father that persons died of old age. Of course, there has been occasional murderous violence, which I have suffered in a very personal way. But what we have seen now is unprecedented 14 murders in a single month, September, which is multiples of what has occurred over the last many years. And 3 so far in October, including a tourist passerby. I think it's time to understand that the problem is regional and global. It is not a time to point fingers. Jamaica has brought a lot to its Caribbean neighbors. Unfortunately, what we suffer here will no doubt spread and fester in other nations. And I think collectively, we need to apply ourselves to reclaiming the islands separately